Okay, so here's a video of some of the cars in my classic muscle car collection. We've got a 71 Mach 1 original M code 351 Cleveland Ram Air. All original condition. Very nice car. A 69 Oldsmobile 442 Holiday Coupe that's been meticulously restored to represent the Hurst Olds. It has the original 455 cubic inch big block. Has been bored 30 over, putting out 470 horsepower. Got a big cam, roller rockers, so on and so forth. Real nice car. Paint on that thing is just immaculate. Hurst 4-speed. Here's the 58 Chevy Apache. It's got a Chevy 350 in it, bored to a 383 stroker. Lowered. Got leather interior, automatic transmission, 18-inch Foose wheels on the front, 20s on the back. Real nice truck. Good driver. There's the interior. The high back leather bucket seats. The headliner. Got a 14-inch mahogany steering wheel in billet. Retro sound stereo system. iPod, USB connections. I did away with the vent windows and went with the solid one-piece glass. I think gives it a pretty cool custom look, something different. Some really wide tires on the back. These are 14-inch wheels. How well you can see it there. Truck's got a real sound to it. Nice chop in that motor with that cam in it. And there we have it.